Hi, little friends. I'm your good buddy, Ms. Shelly. Today, we're going to talk about something that helps everyone smile like sunshine: how to call others with kind and friendly words. Have you ever heard a nickname you didn't like and felt a little upset inside? Don't worry. Miss Shelly is here to teach you how to use kindness flowers instead of wordy thorns, so everyone can feel happy. Ready? Let's start our magical adventure of respect. Why shouldn't we use hurtful nicknames? Our school and home are like happy gardens, and everyone is a special flower in it. But when we use hurtful nicknames like chubby or four eyes, it's like putting prickly thorns in the garden. It can hurt our friends' feelings and make them sad. When friends feel hurt, they might not want to play anymore, and our garden won't feel so fun. Instead, using kind words like someone's real name or calling them little artist is like giving them a pretty flower. It makes them smile bright and big. Kind words are more powerful than you think. When you call someone by their name or say something nice like, "Wow, you run so fast," it feels like a warm hug from the sun. Kind words can make friendships grow strong like a rainbow, and playtime becomes extra fun. Miss Shelley has even heard that kids who use kind names are like the heroes in cartoons. Everyone loves being around them. Isn't that awesome? Want to become a respect superstar? Here are Miss Shelley's 3 tips. First, use your friend's name when you call them, like, "Hey, Mia, come play." Or say something sweet like, "Liam, your drawing is amazing." Second, if you hear someone using a mean nickname, smile and say, "Let's use names, it's way friendlier." Third, if you accidentally use a hurtful nickname, say, "I'm sorry," and try a kind name instead. It's like giving your friend a brand new flower. Try to compliment one friend every day, like, "You look super cool today." Your kindness will make the garden more beautiful. Wow, little stars! Today we learned the magic of giving kindness flowers. From now on, let's use sweet words to make our friends sparkle with joy and help our happy garden grow even prettier. Miss Shelley is so proud of you. Next time you play with friends, say proudly, "I'm a respect superstar." All right, see you next time for more fun skills. Bye bye for now.